Finally, Binance confirms support Cardano to $4,000. Cardano price prediction. Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Binance is the world's leading blockchain ecosystem and infrastructure provider for the cryptocurrency industry with a complex of financial products, which includes the largest digital asset trading exchange by volume. Binance offers a unique portfolio of cryptocurrency products and opportunities. Among them, trade and finance, education, research and data, charity, investment and incubation, decentralization and infrastructure solutions, and much more. The Binance cryptocurrency exchange was founded in 2017 and has become a global blockchain company providing a full range of services for investors and traders. The head of Binance is Changpeng Zhao, better known in the crypto community as CZ. CZ has been developing software for trading futures on Wall Street for a long time. In 2005, CZ left the post of head of the research and development team at Bloomberg Tradebook Futures and moved to Shanghai. There he founded the company Fusion Systems. After he discovered Bitcoin, he worked in blockchain.info as director of technology and other projects. In 2017, about $15 million was raised as part of the Binance ICO. At the first stage, the number of registered users exceeded 20,000 people. At the beginning of 2018, Binance even had to suspend the registration of new users to update the architecture. After registration was resumed a few days later, about 240,000 users registered on the exchange in the first hour. In January 2018, Binance came out on top among the crypto exchanges in the world in terms of trading volume, and CZ was on the cover of Forbes magazine. Changpeng Zhao, known in the cryptocurrency community as CZ, is one of the most recognizable faces of the blockchain industry. He set an example of a lightning-fast ascent to fame and recognition during the heyday of digital currencies and everything related to them. Zhao now works as the CEO of Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Changpeng Zhao's capital is estimated at $2 billion, which makes him the richest representative of the virtual currency sphere. A little over a year ago, Binance did not exist yet, and the identity of its founder was unknown to anyone. Early years. Changpeng Zhao was born in the Chinese province of Jiangsu in 1977 in a family of teachers. His father had pro-bourgeois views, for which he was persecuted by the Chinese authorities in those years. In the late 1980s, Zhao's family moved to Canada, where they settled in Vancouver. This was due to the fact that the father of the family is an active participant in the famous Tiananmen Square protests, which ended in bloodshed. To help his family, Zhao worked at McDonald's and gas stations. At school, he was a budding volleyball player. After graduating from high school, he entered the University of Montreal at the Faculty of Computer Science. In parallel with his studies, he was engaged in stock trading. This hobby determined the entire career of the future cryptomillionaire. After graduating from university, he traveled a lot, spending time in Tokyo and New York, where he later began working as an expert on exchange software at Bloomberg. Zhao achieved great success at Bloomberg. Over time he realized that he lacked new challenges. Because of this, he decided to leave and found his own company, which he called Fusion Systems. In it, the future genius of the cryptocurrency industry was doing the same thing as in Bloomberg, developing software for exchanges and traders. He worked in his own company for 8 years, while simultaneously creating and developing other startups. He left Fusion Systems in 2013, becoming interested in the field of cryptocurrencies. CZ joined the service blockchain.info in 2013. He started working in the same team with Roger Ver and Ben Reeves. At this place, he held the position of head of development for 1 year. Zhao warmly speaks about this period and about what a friendly team he happened to work in. He still maintains a good relationship with the blockchain team. After starting work, he headed the team that created the cryptocurrency wallet. In 2014, Zhao started working in the OKCoin exchange team, which at that time was the largest in China. After getting acquainted with decentralized technologies, CZ caught fire with the idea of creating his own blockchain company. He decided to open an exchange that will focus exclusively on the exchange of cryptocurrencies and will not work with fiat money. Zhao took his time, waiting for the right moment, which came with the beginning of the ICO boom in 2017. Changpeng Zhao expressed his opinion on the future of the cryptocurrency market. According to the head of BINANCE, at the current stage of development of the cryptocurrency market, many companies, including government agencies, need to pay attention to cryptocurrencies. His point of view is completely opposite to the opinion of Jamie Dimon, the head of JP Morgan Chase. He also believes that Bitcoin is an absolutely useless asset. However, the market did not listen to his opinion. Cryptocurrencies continue to accumulate investments. Changpeng Zhao believes that despite all skeptical assessments, cryptocurrencies will still become a familiar financial instrument. There are skeptical assessments regarding the crypto market, but they are not becoming as dominant as before. Many major players are already starting to cooperate with cryptocurrency startups. For example, the MasterCard giant announced that it has concluded a number of agreements with cryptocurrency companies to launch payment cards accepting crypto. Fund managers have also begun to pay attention to funds that are focused on digital assets. The head of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, also expressed his opinion about Cardano. He believes that its development is a very good signal for the entire market. In the meantime, there is no serious competition in the Cardano market. At the moment, the crypto industry is still poorly represented in the global economy. Competition will only begin when the penetration of digital assets exceeds 90%. Tom Montag, Bank of America's chief operating officer, shares a similar opinion. He spoke about this at a recent event. Montag believes that cryptocurrencies can give the entire banking sector a powerful impetus to development. Montag suggests that cryptocurrencies can become part of the financial system of banks. At the same time, in order for cryptocurrencies to become part of the global financial system, coordination with regulators is also necessary. Without them, it is hardly possible to expect the development of the crypto industry. Therefore, the Binance Exchange tries to focus on cooperation with regulators. Maybe other cryptocurrency exchanges should follow the example of Binance. If they manage to reach a consensus, then indeed the cryptocurrency market will be able to develop even more rapidly. Well, dear friends, our video is coming to an end, but first I want to ask you a question. Do you think we should wait for the increase in the cost of Cardano or not? Write about it in the comments. Thank you all for watching. Put like, subscribe to the channel.